So this is going to be a quick video. As you can see in the video, my front shifter console trim is like pretty worn out. You see the clear coat is peeling off. So I just ordered a used one from eBay and it looks much better than what I have now. So this is going to be a quick video. I'm going to show you how to take it off. So basically, with your finger, you want to, so put your thumb like right here for leverage. Then use your right finger and just push it up like that. See, it comes right up. You do not have to stick like a flathead, whatever, to, take it off. You might actually damage like the edge of this right here. Now all we have to do is grab the used one while it actually looks brand new and just place it over, do reverse step, push it down. There you go. That actually looks a lot better. It actually looks brand new, compared to the one that I took off. See, look, the clear coat's peeling off. So this is how you change out the front shifter console trim for a 2004 to a 2008 Acura TL.